Guys, today I'm going to make a cup in Blender. So first of all, open a new window in Blender. As you can see, Blender is opening. Here it is. This is version 2.1. So first of all, our parts. Our First part, we will model our cup. We will download a photo. I downloaded it. I will put it in the link below. So, and in part 2, model our plate and our cup handle. It will be a little bit hard for the handle, but the plate, it is very simple. After that, in part 3, texture. We will go into texture. We will make the cup glass. Okay. And the plate also. Part 4, we are going to learn about rendering. Also, you are going to learn about renders. So, the cup you will learn, it is a little bit it will be a familiar shape. You are going to make a cup like this one. Actually, this cup is made in Blender. I made it. There's some few mistakes in the handle. I was actually very in a hurry. As you can see, we have some tea, and the cup is glass. So let's get started. Open in Blender a new page. When you will open it, you will see this list popping out. Here in the new file section, choose the first one, general. If you are a beginner and you don't know how to use Blender, you are in the right place. Blender, sometimes it is very difficult, sometimes it is easy, but for me it is easy and hard at the same time, so that's good. When you will start Blender as you are a beginner, you will see this big screen. We have light. You can just rename it, just click on it and then F2, and you can change its name. If you are working on a tablet, you can come here and then light, and then just change it and name it whatever you want, blah 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 blah. So we'll rename it as light. And also you can see there's a cube and what is this? I won't say. This is a camera. In our tutorial, we aren't going to use the cube. We are going to delete it, or we can click on X or delete. So let's open in Google a new page. Google. In Google, we are going to search for models. We will search. Excuse me. We will search cup model. There are lots of modelings. 3D cups, lots of things. You can choose whatever model you like, whatever shape. But for me, I am going to download a model and I can put it in the description below. So Shift A for adding a new object, or go up here, add mesh. No, actually we want to add an image. So add. First of all, we have to go to edit and preference. Okay. We can go to system, global, and okay. Click on X, Shift A, image, and then reference. The list will pop out. I will look for my image until I finish So I finally found it. Click on your image, and then we will hide the camera and the light. Make a new selection called cup. In this selection, we are going to make our cup. The first collection, we will rename it as extra. Okay, then click on R and then control 7. Click on number pad 7 and go up there, rotate. Like this. Okay. Oops, sorry. We're going to and then G for grab, Z for Z axis. If you will click on number pad 0, you will go to the camera. This will be our camera. We're going to adjust it later. If you will click on shift and then the scroll mouse, you can move anywhere you want. If you will click on number pad 1, you will go to y axis, number pad 3 x, number pad 7 for z. For now, we are going to go to x axis. So our cup, this will be our cup. As you know, we have all the side views. So up view, top view, back view, and the side view. Okay, so what is the closest shape for a cup? The closest shape is a cylinder. Now we are going to go down here. No, actually we can just edit. Click on G and then Z, drag it up. G, Y axis. If you will click on Z, you can go to any view. I will go to wireframe so I can adjust the cup for the shape of the image. So go here, scale, resize it, grab y-axis. Let us scale it a bit more. Grab Y. Now click on tab to go to edit mode. So select the bottom part of your cup, click on S for size, and then like this. Let us scale it a bit. Click on scale and then yes. Yes, we did it. Then go to solid. This is our cup. It's okay if we go a little bit inside because it will be looking more than a cup. We can adjust it a bit more if you want. Sorry about that. Let's scale it more. That looks a bit good. Yes. So here we go. Our cup shape. It is done. So in this part we will learn to model our cup. Finished modeling it, and now it is time to make a hole in top of our cup, because in the usual cups, let's head that part. In usual cups you don't see these holes. So click on your object, go to edit modes, and then go up here and then select the faces one. the face selection. We have three selections. One is the vertex selection. We have the second one is edge. We want the third one, so it will be easier to select our face, the top face. Click on X or delete. Click on face because this was our face. Yes. Yay! We finished our part 1, but not yet. Look at our cup. It is very thin, like a paper. Oh no. Okay, click on our object. Go here and add a modifier properties. Click on add modifiers and then solidify modifier. You can see our cup is a little bit thick, but we will make it a little bit more, 0.5. Oh my gosh, that is one big cup. It will be very hard for us to drink from it. 0.03. No, it is very thick. 0.02. No, very thick. 0.01. 1. Yes, that's good. 0.01. And then apply. Go to tab, nothing changed. So in this part we learned how to model our cup. We passed part 1. It was short because in this part we just modeled our cup. Yes, in part 1 we just modeled it. So good job. Now in the next part, that will be of tomorrow, we are going to model our plate and hand. So thank you for watching this tutorial and bye. Bye.